Hey yo, welcome, MotorAlli here, and today we'll be taking out the center console. Alright, boom, Philip, flathead and an 8mm ratchet is what you need to take out the center console. First things first, take off the gear knob. I have a clip that I push down and then I twist it off. I push the rubber thing in and then put your hands inside and then pull it out from the bottom. After that, work your way to the top, and this is where your flathead comes in now. You want to pry at the top, unless you've got a pry bar, tool thing, whatever. I use my hands. I know I will still use my hands to do the other one, but you want to be careful because it's plastic and it can break. And boom! Good, this is loose. Now we pull it up and over the gear stick. Don't pull it too far because you've got both of the cigarette lighter and the hazard indicator lead still in. With the cigarette lighter, you're going to push down the little tab and pull out. Push down this tab, right here, the small one, and then pull it. You can get a flathead in and that can help you. But after this, boom, we now have the lower part of the console out, ready to go. Now time for the upper part. First of all, we're going to start by taking everything out, every loose thing out, including the glove box, as we need to go down through the glove box to get to one of the screws. Get that done now, and then we're going to take this out. First things first, we've got a little bracket plate here, hold on by 2 screws. You might have this, you might not. Again, 16-year-old car, doesn't matter. One screw out, and the other one. Keep these screws safe. And now we want to go inside the glove box, push in by both sides, just like this, and pull it down. And then the glove box is out from its cage. And this is where the ratchet comes in. If we look in here, we have 2 screws. Both indicated, one here, boom, we need to loosen that one, and then we've got the other one, which we need to loosen this one. We don't need to take it out, we just need to loosen them. If you need to use WD-40, then you need to use that. To take this one out, we go to the glove box. To take the other one out, we go to the fuse box. We twist the thing to the left, and then it pops out, and then we go up, and we go up, and then to the left. That's where we're gonna see the thing. Look at my finger. Right, let's take this one out. Got the ratchet, got a bit of extensions on it because that's how we're gonna get it in. And boom, we start ratcheting it out, just loosening it, remember, just to get it free. This one's loosened, now time for this one, let's go. Right, boom. Now it's time to get this up by putting your hands underneath, lifting it up. As I said, lifting it up is the best way to take it out, and it'll pop out like a boom. Boom. Don't put it too far because you've got all the plugs from the radio and the buttons still connected. Now let's start to unplug the radio. Depending on your radio, you might want to take a photo to see what connections go to where. Now this is done, the last step is to get the 3 green plugs, 2 for the dials and 1 for the 3 buttons down at the bottom. Awesome, now we've got the center console out. What I'm going to do now is go upstairs and wrap it. Stay tuned for my next video where I'm going to wrap this console in matte black. I hope you guys enjoyed this and learnt something today. This has been MotorAlli, and see you guys in another video. Pow!